Hi guys, before anything else, I have a confession to make. Dugay na gid ako siyang gidala-dala, but lately I realized that I should reveal this to you, especially that you have subscribed to my channel. So I realized you deserve to know the truth. I would like to confess that I am someone nga kusog kaayo mangukay. Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Doc Shing, and today we're going to talk about what are ways that you can practice so that you can save at the thrift shop, or in the Philippines that's what we call UKAY-UKAY. So unsaon man nato nga mas masulit pa gyud nato atong gasto sa UKAY-UKAY. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also tick the notification bell so that you would be updated of new videos that I would be uploading to my channel. So without further ado, let's start. So how to get your money's worth at the UKAY-UKAY. So, unsa? Na-distract mo sa akong new hair, shorter. Yes, actually, buhi pang nagputol sa akong hair. I went to the parlor the other day, and then actually I requested the hairdresser to cut my hair shorter, and I didn't expect na ngani ka mubo, but sige na lang mutubo raman ni siya. So back to our topic. So how do we get our money's worth at the UKAY-UKAY? So unsaon gyud nga sulit gyud atong igawas na kwarta sa UKAY-UKAY, no? Unsa? Dili mo katuo nga nag-ukay-ukay ko. Dok, kasi may mga doktor, si Doc, mag-ukay-ukay. But actually, that is really true. I go to the ukay-ukay or the thrift shop, especially when I have time, especially when it's my rest day. Actually, there are a number of doctors who also go to the thrift shop to get some nice finds at the thrift shop or ukay-ukay. And yes, that is a reality. So, okay, let's go to the first way in order to get our money's worth at the UKAY-UKAY. So, number one would be go for your style. Unsay akong pasabutan na. You choose the clothes or the style of clothes that you are usually wearing. So, kung usually ang imong style is mga spaghetti strap, you go for it. Or like me, my style is usually I go for polo, those with colors. So that's what I always look for, kay mas magamit man siya when I do duties at the hospital or when I go to rounds at the hospital. So ang style meaning dili lang ka matintal nga paliton ang stuff, or usually sinina man yun na atong ukayo, no? So dili lang ka matintal nga imong paliton ang sinina tungod kay barato siya o branded. Kay sa ukay-ukay, sure yun na nga barato, and then daghan yun kaayo nga mga branded na mga clothing nga makita nimo sa ukay-ukay nga dili gyud ka katuo nga uy naa ni diri sa ukay-ukay, and then some of them would really cost way less than when they are sold at the department store. Pero syempre, pre-love naman siya kay ukay-ukay siya. Pero nevertheless, it's still branded. So, ang naamagukoy mistake anak before nga, matintal ko nga paliton siya kay barato, and then ilado gyud kaayo na brand. So I committed that mistake before of buying stuff like that, and in the end I did not get to wear them because it wasn't my style. So ending nasayang ra gyapon ang akong kwarta. So initially, the first thing that you should keep in mind when going to the ukay-ukay is to go for your style. The next way in order to get our money's worth at the ukay-ukay is go for quality. So tan-awon nimo ang textile or clothing material, if dili ba kayo siya kuana worn or daan, basin daan na gyud kaayo, ayon na lang gyud palita. And then apil din ha ang appropriate ba siya sa atong weather, no? So kung baga murag kanang igang siya, so imong una-unaon, is it worth it? So ang quality, ligon ba, dili ba dali magisi, dili pa ba siya that worn out, dili pa ba siya daan kay tan-awon, kay basin pila na nimo kasuotan, bungkag dayon, di ba? So madinha na kuan ang dinha nato ma-categorize ang quality sa imong paliton sa ukay-ukay. Before we proceed to the next way in order to get our money's worth at the ukay-ukay, just an icebreaker, maybe you'd be curious, o unsa na ko kadugay ng ukay, no? So mga around 10 to 12 years dugay na gyud kay ko si pangukay. I started during my PGI, postgraduate intern days, then mas ni peak siya when I was a resident in training, kay gamay man sweldo, and then kailangan yung ka mag-ilis o dapat mag-ilis o inner nga blouse kay maumay among civilian, and then we had to cover with our sumak gown or white gown. So para daghan po ko'y mapilian, balag barato ra, so mo to sige ko pangukay, ni peak gyud siya when I was a resident. So during those years I learned a lot, so that is why I am sharing all this knowledge to you. I'm sharing this for free, so I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button if you like this video, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So the next way in order to get our money's worth at the ukay would be wait for the price drop. Yes, given naman yun ng barato yun ng ukay-ukay, no? Pero naagyoy days magkamubo man na ang ilang price until mag-change na sila stock. So super barato na yun to the point nga I saw a shop nga tag-gis na lang yun tanan, no? So if you can still wait for the price drop, so go for it, wait for it, kay para masulit na yun ang imong kwarta sa ukay-ukay. Pero ang downside lang ana is mga pinilian na kaayo na during the day of the price drop, kay daghan na may na malit, so ang mga pinilian na lang na yung mabilin. But nevertheless, if you want to really save, you can wait for the price drop so that you can get your money's worth at the ukay-ukay. Next would be to exert effort. So unsa may pasabot nako ana. So when I started out, dili kay ko kugihan gyud magtan-aw bitaw sa pile or sa kamanang gipang hanger, pero I realized nga you have to exert effort in looking through the pile or the rows of or the racks of clothes that are being hanged, para gyud makita ka og nindot o katong swak gyud sa imong style. Kay dili man na mo ingon ang sinina nga ako ang imong style, nindot ko, iba. So kailangan gyud ka nga magpugi gyud kag isa-isahon gyud na nimo og tan-aw ang mga gipang hanger dinha or imo gyud na ukayon ng mga gipang pile dinha. Usahay kanang sa kadaghan gyud sa tao nga mangukay, dayon dili pa ko kaukay, magtan-aw na lang ko sa uban nga ilan nang iukay ng mga nakahang. So kung na ako'y ganahan tapos dili ra kuhaon atong naguna, so that's the time nga ako tong balikon. So you have to really exert effort when you go to the ukay-ukay. Next would be to examine the clothes that you have chosen for yourself. So unsa may pasabot ana dok? So di ba na naman kay napili? So next step would be to examine the clothes that you have chosen. Tanaw nimo ang mga ilo, kung naabay mga gisi, are there discolorations nga dili dili na makuha na may mga mancha yun ang uban nga kanang ilhan yun nimo nga dili na ni siya makuha even with kato mga bleach. So kani nga part mo na ni ang this is a screening process kay para kilatis yun nimo og taman og tarong ang imong gipangpili na mga clothes. So tanawon mo sila for damages, mga botones, mga missing, pero kung na-ay spare, okay na siya. Usually ikan man na sa gawas ang mga clothes na ni mga spare diri sa inside, spare buttons. So gisi kung nanay mga gisi na mga loose thread nga dili na matabang gyud, tapos damaged accessories like the buttons, and then unremovable stains. So those clothes that wouldn't pass this screening stage, this is actually what I call the second screening stage. So imo na siya ibalik dapat. You have to return it also properly ha, dili kay imo lang idamok sa rack. Kaya luoy man pud ang mga kanang angels din sa ukay-ukay kanang nagtrabaho kay magsunod sila nimo, no? So you have to return it properly to the pile or hang it properly to the rack katong wala nakapasar ani nga stage. So it is a must that you examine the clothes that you have chosen so that you will get your money's worth at the ukay-ukay. The next way would be to fit the clothes that you have chosen. So after nimo na screen kay ang una magyud pili lang magyud ka. As for me, ang una gyud nako ma-attract ang design sa cloth, and then ang color mo magyud yung unang kakita, and then I look at it if it's my style. And yes, if it's my style, I scrutinize the quality of the cloth, if it is durable, no? Kay ang goal nato at least masuot nato siya at least a year, 1 to 2 years. Okay na siya. And then I examine it for any damages, and then after that I fit the clothes that I have chosen. Usay maski dili lang gud nimo i-fit nga kanang nag-remove gid ka sa imong clothes, kabalo mo ka sa imong lawas, so you would know if fit gyud siya sa imo. So you fit the clothes that you have chosen or you have picked before you pay at the cashier. So that would be the last way in order to get your money's worth at the ukay. So those are the ways in which we can get our money's worth at the thrift shop. Na yung mga tao nga dili sila ganahan mag-ato sa ukay, but that's fine, no? Each to his own, they say. Kung ganahan ka mag-ukay, like me, maugid na akong one of my outlets, no? Pero lately, during the pandemic, wala na kay nako na siya nabuhat kay wala naman nga close naman, and then handlo pod kung adto kay daghan pod kaayo tao. So I admit nga ang akong attendance in ukay-ukay lately because of the pandemic has lessened, really lessened. But I still look forward to the time when our activities would be normal so that I can go back to my hobby. Another reminder also, kung magpalit mo ukay, you have to disinfect also properly and wash the clothes properly. Kay para di maguta ka baluo unsay naagian anong pinagdaanan ng mga clothes na yan, di ba? So imo na sila you can soak them in a bleach nga color safe or that won't damage your clothes, and then wash them properly and then iron them before you wear it. So I hope you like this video, guys. If this video helped you a lot, please share it also to your friends, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and tick the notification bell so that you would be updated of new videos that I would be uploading into my channel. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in my next vlog.